Hi friends, today we are going to do the unboxing of my new tarot card and I'm very happy just today is a new year, Chatra new year, it's a new year in India. So on this auspicious day I'll get my new tarot cards and let's see. Yeah, I'm really happy and really excited to show you. So I'm going to unboxing in front of you. Oh, yeah. These are the spirit animal oracle cards. Yes, friends, box is looking very nice, and this is magnetic one, and the cards. Here is a guidebook. These are beautiful, very beautiful, very बहुत लाइट से कलर में एकदम soft and soft color, soft. So it's looking very soothing to the eyes, and especially here summer season is going on, so these is going to be very soothing for the eyes. And now I'm going to check it out, how's the cards are. Wow, look at it, how colorful they are. Really very beautiful, very beautiful. This is the ant spirit, this is the antelope, and this is the badger. Even bat is here. There's buffalo. Beautiful butterfly. I love butterflies. Beautiful canary bird. This is cat, cow, the most auspicious animal in India, cow. My favorite dog. So cute, dolphin is here. Dove, frog, beautiful giraffe, see, beautiful. It's wearing ornaments and all, it's looking very beautiful. And if you can see, the cards having numbers also. So it is going to be significant according to the numerology also. So these cards with the numbers also, so we can predict through the, we can mix with a little bit numerology. Koala, moth, you can see each and every type of animal is here. It is not only insects or it's a big animals and four legs animals. Lots of, see, nightingale, panther. Wild animals are most favorite animals of mine, and I just love parrots. Beautiful, colorful parrot. And porcupine is also here, porcupine. It's a rabbit. You can see horseshoes. And my most favorite, I just love the skin of the snakes. they are very soft, and I'm mesmerized, and I really love to touch the snakes. I touched many snakes, and because of I love them, I love like anything. So very beautiful. And I can see here it is sort of python or ajgar. Yeah, this is cobra or python, something like that, because the body is like cobra, but yeah, head is like cobra, but body is like python. Okay, cute squirrel, starfish is here, swan is here, and the last but not the least is vulture. It's a very different bird. It is very difficult to understand what vulture is actually. So, some type of mystic bird, vulture. Now we are going to look at the guidebook, and what guidebook suggests. These cards are only the upright cards. It is not upside down cards, and reversal, it is not reversal thing. And I'm going to read some of the messages. I ask the spirit animal oracle to speak to you. To new user, it is essence can begin to communicate with you directly. With the one card question, here the example is I posed was what can a first time user expect when they begin to work with the new cards, and I have been privileged to co-create. So oracle message is here. Weaver spirit is here. So tell you about the power living within that born of spirit, the source from which all the life arises. This is the power to establish sacred connection with the universal consciousness, so you can be deliberately co-create the world you desire. So very long, deep messages are here, and protection messages are also here. So if you see the message here, and this is the protection message, and it's long message. So these cards are having very deep meanings, deep messages, and I am really excited to looking forward to you. So guys, after working for a few months, I'm going to come to back and tell you about more how I'm going to connect with these cards, how these cards are working, and I'm really excited. The last card I just felt connected a lot. that is the mystical shaman card. So that cards I really connect. I bought this card because I love animals. So I don't have any cards related to animals. So I thought to purchase this animal spirit oracle because somehow these colorful cards are calling me, and you know, it's a very colorful but not very loud color, so it's very soothing, and the front is also very soothing. So I love it. I love it. Thank you. This is the unboxing of Spirit Animal Oracle. I am Vaishali, and my Instagram is Karmic Connection. So karmic underscore connection. Please go and follow, and just connect to me. If you want to ask anything, you can ask me, and like, subscribe, and press the bell button. That is very important, so you got to know about my next videos. Thank you guys.